Hey everybody, welcome back to the Trick Shift Garage YouTube channel. Today we're going to be changing the transmission fluid on my 2013 F-150, which has the 6R80 transmission. Alright, so the first step is to remove this bolt right here. It's a 19 millimeter. This is your fill plug and also your dipstick, and it's towards the front of the transmission on the passenger side of your vehicle. Alright, now that's the front of the vehicle. This is the rear of the vehicle. Naturally, the transmission pan swoops down or angles down a little bit towards the rear. So you actually want to go towards the rear of the oil pan and have that side drain first. So you want to remove some bolts from there before you remove the bolts in the front. Now, before you go anywhere else, I'm going to show you a little trick to prevent the amount of transmission fluid you spill all over the ground. And that's to use aluminum foil. Yeah, so the goal is when this pan drops, the fluid will hit the aluminum foil right into your oil pan. So you got to curve the edges a little bit, kind of guide it right into the pan. Yep, already coming. Look at that. Look at that trick shift tip. Take it down straight. It should be enough for me to shift it back this way,
right,
and then lower the front end.
Exactly. Yeah.
All right, there's one. All right, here we go.
Oh, got the GoPro.
The aluminum foil is coming with it. Oh, that gasket's up here. There is the magnet. There's some like metal shavings in there.
Oh,
like
yeah.
Very, very small. Luckily, there's nothing like really, really big. So that's a good sign.
Good sign.
Now, if you're reusing yours, I'm not, but if you are reusing yours, you want to clean this all up, especially around the edges where the new gasket's going to go. And we have a flush seal. All right, next, you actually want to clean around where the gasket goes. Now, you don't want to just spray brake clean all over this. You don't want to mess up anything in the transmission. So spray the brake clean on your towel and just wipe around. All right, now you want to clean the hole where your filter goes up to. That way your filter can stick to something that's not too oily. So you just put your finger around the towel and just kind of wipe around it a little bit, just like that. And now your filter should hold when you put it in there. Just like that. Now you want to tighten all these bolts to 106 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds, inch-pounds. Like that. All right, now for the 6R80 transmissions, you want to use Mercon LV.
He's pumping transmission fluid into the pan, but we're not quite sure how much it's going to take, so we're just watching the top portion and basically waiting for fluid to come pouring out, and then that's our indicator that, yep, it's full.
Oh, there it goes.
Almost 6 quarts. There you go. Oh, there you go. Yep. You're in.
Okay. All right, we're going to turn it on and let it run for 15 minutes. Periodically, I'm going to get in the truck and go through the gears so that the fluid goes through the whole transmission.
Right.
Then after 15 minutes, I'm going to let it cool off for about 5 minutes. We're going to put a fan near where the dipstick is, that bolt. We're going to put a fan there to cool off because there's a catalytic converter like right there. So we don't want to burn ourselves. Don't burn yourself. And we'll do that for about 5 minutes, and then we'll check the level and make sure everything's good.
Okay. Dude, be careful. Watch your hands. So wipe it off.
Yep. And now we check it without burning ourselves.
That's the trick.
Put it back in all the way. I'll take it out. Oh my God, that is perfect.
Is it?
Right there on the A.
Show it to me.
Right there on the A.
All right.
That is perfect. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more of our videos. See you on the next one.